Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Sunny D and we are at the homestead or home today, and we are definitely trying to make it a home and a stead. Little day, a little bit at a time. But today what we're going to do, I gave you kind of like a picture of everything that we have. It's been raining so much. We've not been able to do anything, but thank God everything is still growing and it's still going, so we're so happy for that. So what we're going to do today is we're going to come out. Some of the pole beans are running, so what we're going to do is we're going to add some more line to let them run up the line. That's the way we chose to do it this year, and we're just using line and not a lot of sticks. So it's really been working, but they're running out of room, so we definitely need to add some more line there. We have cucumbers. They are blooming, they're doing their thing, and I am so freaking excited. I can't wait to make cucumbers and pickles and fresh salads, all of that good stuff. I can't wait for the kids to try all of this food, so I am so excited. Then we're gonna hoe some. We're gonna get the tomatoes that are kind of leggy. We're gonna hoe and get some dirt pulled up around those, and we're gonna do just some different things. And then I'm gonna go to the hen house and we're gonna get the eggs. I think that's gonna be the last thing we're gonna do today. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna show you everything that we did whenever it's all over. But we'll show you everything that we did today in the garden, and I hope you guys are doing well. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, join our tribe, join our community. We would love to have you. All right, stay tuned. This is a good lettuce. I just thought about this. I had to say it with my plants and with me adding the string on so that they're able to run more. I always want to make sure, even with my cucumbers, anything that's like viney, I want to make sure that whenever I'm putting the stems or the little running roots on the lines, that I'm not manipulating them wrong, that I'm actually just kind of letting them flow on the line, because you can cause those to break. You can cause the stems to break off, which can kind of stunt your plant. So just make sure that when you're manipulating your plant, that you're letting it kind of free flow and go the way that it wants to go, because that's going to make it happy and it's going to help it grow. So just remember that point, okay? Have those done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to move to the tomatoes. We're going to go ahead and get the tomato legs covered so that they're not flimsy, they're not falling over. It's not quite time to stick them yet, so we don't want to stick them, but we're going to go ahead and add some dirt up to the roots so that they're able to grow taller. We're not going to prune them or anything like that. This is my second year growing the garden. The first year I did the same thing, so I'm going to stick with the same method that I have. I am growing for family. I'm growing so that we can have more food. I definitely want for us to be more sustainable on this garden. So we're growing a bit of food. We're going to be putting food up. We're going to be doing so much. So even though I know some things from growing up and gardening with my mom, I definitely am still learning. I use YouTube, the YouTube platform, to learn all the time. So I'm definitely still learning. So everything I'm not for sure about, but I kind of know. So if you catch me making a mistake, or if you catch me doing something a little bit different, just do not charge it to my heart. Just charge it to my head, because that just means I don't know yet. But hopefully we're just gonna learn together. So let's go ahead and get the tomatoes done so that we can kind of wind this Saturday up, okay?